Thank you very much, Toastmaster of the Day. So, every person in this world would have had a mentor, even if the person is successful or not. They would have had a mentor with or without their own choice. Good morning, fellow Toastmasters and my dear guest. In this speech about mentoring, I would like to classify mentors with two different types. The first type would be your default mentors. Default mentors are people with whom you grow up. Mostly, it would be your parents, your siblings, your close relatives, your children. Yeah, of course, sometimes they could also be your mentor at some stage of your life. So, these people are like the default mentors of your life. If you sit back and look at the journey of your life, you would have inherited one or the other habit from any one of these people whom you traveled across. So until you're 21 or 22 years old, you cannot avoid these mentors in your life. The next type of mentors is mentors by choice, where you get an opportunity to choose your mentors, guru, or someone. So by choice, it can be your friend, your teacher, your well-wisher, or your colleague whom you admire a lot and keep engaging with them to follow their own principles which you admire from them. I have had friends whom I realize now that they had been my mentors. Now, friends who would beat the hell out of me to make me study and spend their own precious time to explain me the chapters in a and help me clear my exams, semester exams. So I had fortunate friends like that to achieve who helped me to achieve my academic goals. So, likewise, you always have the liberty to choose your own friends, mentors, whom you want to engage with them. Be that you have a goal within your mind, or you just hang out with them and then grab their qualities whenever you would like to. So, now coming about the benefits of having a mentor in Toastmasters. Toastmasters, first, I would like to, as we all know, like Toastmasters is like a college course in which you have enrolled. You pay the fees, you commit yourself to a goal, and you have a syllabus here. You have to follow the syllabus here. And you have a classroom with a diverse set of students, and you have your own liberty to choose your own mentor from this classroom. So even though Toastmasters has abundant research material for each and every project, they strongly recommend that you have a mentor. They strongly recommend that you have a mentor. So, so I would like to reiterate some of my experiences before I had a mentor and after I had a mentor. So after I joined first few speeches, after I got a mentor assigned by myself, see, I was not in touch with them very frequently, and I had some. I was not in touch with them very frequently, and I started developing my scripts on my own without following the mentor. At these times, I was able to still prepare my project and deliver the script, but I had some issues with delivering the script or be it composing it in a very good manner. So those kind of problems I had it. But after I started being in touch with my mentor very often, and then I shared my views about the script and his views about the scripts, there was a vast change which I observed in my progress, and this habit accelerated my progress and improved my confidence level while delivering the speeches. Sometimes you will always have the potential to achieve your goal on your own, but having a mentor along with your journey will definitely accelerate that journey to your goal. So apart from these type of mentors, I would suggest one thing to you, like every person you come across in your life, will have one or two good qualities. They can also be your mentors. You would definitely observe one or two good qualities from them. For example, you being a non-smoker, and you might have a colleague who is a smoker. Although you don't like his habit, but you like the way how he opens the cigarette wrap and then meticulously throws it in the dustbin and doesn't litter. So you could take that and then apply it when you open up a chocolate wrapper. So my suggestion is just keep absorbing the good qualities which you think will best suit for yourself, and keep moving along with your journey of life. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you, Vignesh. You said Toastmasters is like a college course, and I feel like a college student, like most of the Kollywood and